We got a day 2 here at Ohio Bike Week. Tons of bikes down here. A lot of them pulling in. The area is full. And they are rolling in. This is the Mad River Harley Davidson store in the background back there. Kind of zoom in on it for you. That big building. The bikes are packed in here. Full house. Here at Mad River Harley Davidson. And they're rolling in here at Mad River. So check them out, come join us, follow us on Motorcycles and Poker Adventures.
I need to find one of them.
Here in Sandusky, Ohio, for Bike Week, Ohio. Sinister Sound happens to be here. They are the ones with the Darth Vader bike. You may have recognized it from Myrtle Beach. Little Darth Vader there. Doing stereos. LED lighting, motorcycles and audio. Lucky Customs. Gentleman down there working his carcass off on a bike. Putting new lights on it. Purple. Nice look. So if you get a chance, come down and see Lucky Customs here in Sandusky, Ohio. And there's your contact number. And they got exhaust systems and all the other accessories you find at a bike show. A lot of accessories, great deal on boots, leathers, helmets. Great boot deal there, everybody. And we have the Longhorn man here.
How are you?
Welcome to Sandusky.
Well, thank you.
We seen you in Myrtle Beach.
Yes, sir.
Longhorns are popular. How long you been doing this, sir?
I've been doing it 4 years. Marty over there, my cousin, he's been doing it 18.
And I guess the big question's gonna be, where's the beef?
We ate it.
Good man. Good answer. You're looking good. Have a great show here in Sandusky.
Yes, sir.
And how do we get a hold of you, sir?
Call that number.
Call that number. Check this out, people. Crazy Bill Skulls. We'll zoom in on that, and there's the number. If you don't want to buy one and take it home on your bike, I guarantee you he'll find a way to ship it, right?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
I might even bring it to you.
He'll bring it to you if it's in Florida. And as we make our way to the, let's call it the Southwest parking lot, it is full. Bikes are pouring in here. They got a third parking lot opened up in the back. So Erie County is making some money. So come follow us, everybody. Motorcycles and Poker Adventures here in Ohio Bike Week. So we walk around here, they got the hut. A lot of people starting to mosey around. We're heading up to Mad River Harley Davidson. Sunglasses, seating, entertainment. Love the hat. Great looking hat. Great looking bunch of people there. Come join us, everybody. Great hat there, sir. Great hat. Check out that hat. Check out that beard. Where you from?
Alabama.
Alabama. Leeds, Alabama. I know you've been there.
Where?
The museum in Leeds.
No.
Go. Anyhow, welcome to Sandusky, Ohio Bike Week.
Oh, thank you.
So we're just going to make ourselves away. Let them enjoy the show. Stick your head inside Mad River Harley Davidson and have a great time, everybody. Enjoy the event. Follow us. motorcycles and poker adventures at the Ohio Bike Week in Sandusky, Ohio.